Hello student, how do you do? I hope you all are enjoying e-learning. Today we will start first chapter, that is computer network. Now before starting this chapter, I want to clear that we will cover this chapter two parts. We will discuss about the basic like networking, how it works, etc. In second part, we will explore about networking. First, we will discuss about computer network. It means networking through computer, and networking means communication, connection, or two or more things. Each of the individual computer in a network is called a node. The computer in a network can be connected using cables, telephones, wires, radio waves or infrared waves. Advantage of networking. What is advantage and disadvantage in networking? So we can see easy communication, rapid fire sharing, cost efficient, resources sharing, network security. And disadvantage: expensive to install, loss of resources, security threats, administration, network size. Types of network. As we already know that there are lots of types of network. There are several types of network. It's depending upon the numbers of computer, area of coverage and data transfer speeds. Local area network. What is LAN? When two or more computers are connected within a small range like a room, office, building or a campus, it is termed as LAN. What is metropolitan area network? MAN. Metropolitan area network, generally it is a large network. It covers a city use wired medium. You can see the pictures: central office, branch office, factory. Wide area network. What is wide area network? When two or more computers located at faraway places linked by communication technologies, then it forms a WAN. This type of network covers a very large geographical area across the country or continent. I think you all have that internet connection with you. So the internet is the example of WAN. You can see WAN and surround the WAN. And what is network architecture? Network architecture is the design of a computer. It is a framework for the specification of a network, physical components and their functional organization, its operational principle and procedure, as well as communication protocols used. What is client server network? A computer network in which one centralized powerful computer called the server is a hub to which many less powerful personal computer or workstation called clients are connected. You can see the picture. In center is a server and surround the center it is a client. And what is peer-to-peer network? In short, we can say P2P network. The peers are computer systems which are connected to each other via the internet. Internet topology. What does it mean? Network topology is the arrangement of the element of a communications network. Network technology can be used to define or describe the arrangement of various types of telecommunication network, including computers and control radio networks, industrial field buses and computer network. You can see the different network topologies are given below. Bus topology, advantage and disadvantage. Star topology, advantage and disadvantages. Ring topology, advantage and disadvantages. Mesh topology, advantage and disadvantages. Now we will study about network components. What does it mean? Is the network technology is the use of connection system either via optic cable, satellite, wireless connections to relay various data communication and resources in different parts of the world. Various software and hardware components are needed to establish communication between devices in a computer network. Network interfaces, card, hub, modem, switch, repeater, bridge, router, gateway, RJ45. You can see. And what is the network technologies? A network can either be created using wire or it can be a wireless network. A well-suited example of a wireless network is a Wi-Fi. It enables us to connect to the internet without using Ethernet cable. Wire technology, what does it mean? The means through which data is transferred from one place to another is called transmission or communication media. Advantages and disadvantages, you can see. What is wireless technology? Wireless communication is the electromagnetic transfer of information between two or more conductors. Wi-Fi is the best example of wireless technology. You can see advantage and disadvantage. No cables are required to set up network, thereby making it relatively a cheaper network. And disadvantages, it is a relatively unreliable. With the help of keywords, people can understand the rigorous words easily. So student, I hope you all got my point. Now I am going to fetch up my point. Thank you so much.